guys back to the channel. It's your guy Mightygideon. This is a $13 account and I'll be going into $3,000 to prove to you that if I can do it, you can do it too. I'll be following my strategy, the Mighty strategy, and I'll be taking it step by step as I'm trading so that you can be able to repeat and take the same trades and be elevated to a mighty height. You can see we are currently up in profit. You took a trade or a buy trade on XUSD. I'm breaking down the trade for you to see why we are making profits from these very trades. So let's dive in. You can see that was a very strong point. If you watch the very trades, this very trade was overall bullish. Buyers are very active on this very trade, and the trade have just been buying from this very region. Have been buying, pushing further. So whenever you see a bullish market, you'll be looking for opportunity to take a buy position and buy to join the trend, because it's right you trade according to the trend, don't trade against the trend, so that you can be making profits at that very point. Currently, we saw that there was a very strong zone that was at this very level. There was a very strong zone at this very level, because when it comes to trading, you need to try to identify your key zones, your major key zones, because if you identify your major key zones, you'll be able to take your trades from major key zones and make massive profit in mighty height. So currently, at that very point, this was a very strong key zone that the price currently came and reacted from the very point, a very strong support level at the very region. And we entered the very trades, and the trade is currently floating in profits from these very points. And at this very point, you'll be closing out these very trades now, because if you watch from this very region, there is also a very big strong zone here that the price will currently drop from this very point. The price will be dropping from this very region here, and I'll be closing this very trade now. To take our next trade, our target is from $13 to $3,000 to prove to you that you can do it too and get the account to something very massive. So currently, I'm closing our trade in profit at the very point. And currently at the very point, I'm currently up in $84.02 to a mighty heights. So guys, at this very point, I'll be taking the very trades on a sell position, because this is a head and shoulder pattern at the very point. Now last video I've talked about this head and shoulder pattern, the easiest way to make money. Because this is the head, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder. At the very point, you're taking the very trades to make profit just now, confirming what we said then. You've been increasing on lot size to 0.05 lot size at the very point, and be entering our sell trade from for it to sell that massively from our exact point. This is confirming our trade. Our target is from $13 to $3,000 to a mighty height. You can watch. You are expecting it to sell that massively to give us profit to a mighty height. Currently, this is our head pattern. This is the left shoulder. This is the right shoulder, confirming our entry, and we're expecting it to drop massively and give us profit to a mighty height. You can watch. The time is currently 11:54 p.m. in the midnight at the very point. But I'm awake, trying to go to the account to complete very challenge to something very massive. Let's go. So guys, the trade is currently selling down massively, following this very pattern I told you in the last class. You can watch, you can see that this trade expected the head and shoulder pattern. If you watch our last video where I described the easiest way to make money, you can see that I described this head and shoulder pattern significantly. You can watch, you can see that this head and shoulder pattern is currently on a sniper entry. You can see my exact entry point from that point. You can see most of my flipping videos is always on a sniper entry to trade and make profit ASAP. You can see from that exact point I entered, the price started dropping drastically. From that exact point, we highlighted the very zone that this point is here and shoulder pattern that the trade will drop from there, and currently the trade did as I said ASAP. And you can join my VIP signal group to take in my signals to trade and be making profit to a mighty height on your account. But now I'll be closing this trade in profit because target is from $13 to $3,000 to a mighty height. You can see whenever I say buy is a buy, whenever I say is a sell is a sell, following the mighty strategy. And if you want to learn the mighty strategy, you can contact me to join my VIP signal group and my academy to learn the mighty strategy to that make huge profit to something very massive. You can see the trade is dropping down massively. You can see what is happening in the chart is pump and blend. As you're seeing what is happening, this is real life market experience and the rest. So currently at the very point, I'm closing out trades in profit at the very point, and currently we are up in $616.83 to your mighty heights. So guys, at the very point, I've seen another trade to take on our account now to continue the very challenge. You can see that if you watch, there's a very strong key zone at this very region. And currently the price have broken this very zone. Now, and I'll be entering this very zone now with 0.10 lot size. The price currently broke out from this very zone at this region. So let's sell the very trade now because I'm expecting a drastic massively for the trade to sell now from the very region and give us huge profits, because after this breakout you can expect more massive continuation in drops, and whereby this trade is going to drop from here to this very region. I'm expecting a very strong region for it to sell down to this very support level here. There's a very strong support level at this very region there. So I'm expecting it to drop down massively to that very zone. That's what I'm expecting at this very trade now. So let's watch and see what XUSD has for us. It's completely very target. Our target is from $13 to $13 to mighty heights. Let's see what XUSD has for us. This is crazy. There's a massive push right there. See, this is a live trade now. There's a massive push there. Very strong, massive push right there. So let's keep on expecting a massive drop from that very region, that very point. So this is an update on the trades. You can see that on a sniper point, lately all our trades, most times I wonder why most traders take trade without taking trade on a sniper entry, because all my trades have always been sniped. You can watch how as we entered from here, from this very point, we traced to this very region, exact region, and it's still dropping now, but I'm still expecting it to keep on dropping down massively because our target is still very far. Our target is from 13 to 3,000, and we are still not yet hitting our target. We are still very far from our target. We are still at 800 and something dollars from this very trade. But let's see if the trade will drop down and hit our target, because if you watch, there's a very strong key level that the price broke out from this region. There's a very strong key that broke out from this very region, because whenever you watch, when you're trading, whenever the market have been respecting a very big key zone, and whenever there is a breakout, there's going to be a drastic drop from that very region. And for you to know where the trade will end, what you can do, you just try and measure this very last region from there, and you can just measure it to this very region there. That's where your TP1 is certain. That's to get a certain TP1. So let's watch and see XYZ do for us wonders now, and mighty heights we go. So guys, this is very crazy. You can see there's a very drastic drop from that very point, and I feel like closing this trade now. We are currently up in $1,057.23. This is a very great, because this is from $13 and currently we're up in $1,000 now, above $1,000 now. When I'm trading, one thing about trading is that as I'm trading, you can be able to see that the possibilities in it, and you can be able to take your trades to make profits. You can be able to go small account to something very huge too. You can see as we took this very trade from there, as the trade broke out the very region, the trade just tanked down massively to this very point, and that's where we closed our trades now. You can see our trades are mostly on sniper entries, and one thing about sniper entry is good for people that have little accounts, so that if you enter a trade, you can be in little or no drawdown. That's the reason why. At least if you're in an academy, you can be able to learn how to take trades taken from sniper entries, or maybe if I give out signals, you can be able to take trades with your small account from a sniper entry, and you're already deep in profit, making profit from your account to something very massive over and over again to a mighty height. So at the very point, we'll be looking for our next entry. So guys, from the very point, I'll be taking my next trade now on massive buy, because if you watch, price have currently the rest of price have currently been following this very trend. You can see price have just been respecting this very zone. Have been respecting the very trades from this very point. You can see that price currently in the past very level bought massively. We test the very level bought massively. Currently is at the very support level from here. I'm expecting to continue pushing for that from that very point. That's what I'm seeing now, and we are going to take our trades now for the trade to keep on buying, and we'll be able to pass the very challenge. So currently I'm entering with 0.2 lot size at the very point. I'm entering for the trade to buy massively from this very point. You can see we are going to enter our buy now with this very point. We will enter our buy for a quick buy from that very point, trading up a massive profit now on a sniper, and let's see if our target is being met to a mighty height. So guys, you can see what is happening here. We are currently up in profit like we said, and you can see that this price was on a very big sniper entry again. All our three trades today, all our three trades are all sniper entry snipes. From there you can see that we entered from the very point, the price just rejected that our exact entry, and is spiking massively from that very point. We'll be holding this very trade. I meant to pass the very challenge with this very trade. We'll be holding it here. We'll pass and complete this very challenge to a mighty height. At that very point, this very trade is to be elevated to a mighty height. Let's see what XYZ has for us to something very massive. So guys, we are currently up $2,000 at this very point. $2,000. We are currently up $2,000. You can see that the trade started buying exactly from our key zone at this very region on a sniper point, and I'm tempted to close the very trade from the very point. You can see that was what the trade started buying from, and currently we are up $2,000 at this very point, and have closed our trades in profit. We are up $2,047.31. This is from a $13 account. We are currently up $2,000. You can see this trade, we entered the very trade at this very point on a very big sniper entry. You can see how the trade bought massively from our exact zone from that very region, and this is very nice. This is very nice, and currently we'll be taking our last trades to pad the very account. Our target is from $13 to $3,000, and currently we are up in $2,000 from this very region. And what's about this very trading stuff is that in trading, You can reach any amount, but it's best you just have a specific target, so that once you reach your target, you can be able to maybe do what you want to use. I'm gonna do with the capital and the rest. Mighty heights we go. The trade we took is currently floating a massive profit at the very point. Currently, we are up in almost $5,000 at the very point from $13. Our target was $3,000. Currently, we're up in $5,000 at the very point. You can see that we entered this very trade due to we map out our overall analysis that the trade is going to keep on rejecting and selling to this very overall region at the very point, sell down. So there was a very big strong region here, and currently we are up a massive profit, and I'm closing our trade in profit at the very point. Currently we have up in $5,279.17 to a mighty height.